सॉरी मांगो सब।
हरे कृष्ण माता जी। माता जी आर म्यूटेड।
Sorry, I was talking in mute. I say Hare Krishna. Hari Bol. So
Hare
this is lucky team. Team Nityanand. Nityanand is very merciful because he came in Kali Yuga. So all the best. I'm just going to rename all of you. So Shaleen, मैंने वो नित्यानंद का name आगे कर दिया है, ठीक है? So you can continue discussing your stories. So you can make any story out of it, anything that you want to.
Mataji, I am making the story.
हाँ, somebody write down the story. Yes, that's right.
माता जी, we should make story in English or Hindi?
आप हिंदी में भी बना सकते हो. It's not necessary to make in English. Whatever is more, sometimes when you narrate a story, वो हिंदी में ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है, तो आप हिंदी में भी बना सकते हो. जैसे for instance, sometimes when I narrate story, मुझे लगता है कि हिंदी में वो रस होता है ना, वो अच्छे से आता है. So you can explain in Hindi also. I'm just rename all of you. हाँ जी बेटा.
आपने 7 चीजों के पिक्चर्स भेजी हैं, तो हमें वो सारी अपनी स्टोरी में इंक्लूड
हाँ बेटा, important thing is that you have to use all of them. आप एक चीज को एक से ज्यादा बार यूज कर सकते हो, पर सबको यूज करना है. ठीक है.
माता जी, हम उससे कुछ ज्यादा मतलब कि अगर हमें 1 2 3 और भी ऐड करने हैं ऑब्जेक्ट्स, तो फिर हम वो भी ऐड करके स्टोरी बना सकते हैं.
हाँ, आप कोशिश करो कि एक्स्ट्रा ऐड नहीं करो, बट लेट्स से अगर आपको लग रहा है कि कुछ मतलब पोस्ट कंप्लीट करने के लिए या कुछ सेंस बनाने के लिए यू नीड टू ऐड 1 or 2 more things, then you can do that also. Yes, definitely. ठीक है. Okay, let me Nityanand. Okay, so I've renamed everybody. Brinda, I've renamed you, and I've renamed Brinda, Raghav, Shaleen, and Vriti. Okay. So all the best, and Pranjal also. So all the best. ठीक है, you have 3 more minutes. So अच्छे से story build up कर लो. Okay.
ओके माता जी.
Yeah. All the best. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. You want anybody wants
Yes
help?
माता जी. Yes माता जी. We want
Yes.
some help.
Yes.
माता जी, हमने असल में पूरी स्टोरी तय तो कर ली माता जी, पर हमें ये नहीं पता कि अगरबत्ती इस काम पे आएंगे.
माता जी, I
सोचो.
invited you.
सोचो. You have to think. And it can be anything. Wait, किसी ने Alice in the Wonderland देखी है? It's my
माता जी,
favorite
मैंने
movie.
देखी है. कुछ भी हुआ था उसमें, तो कुछ भी होता है.
मैंने ना Alice in the Wonderland book पढ़ी थी, and then I saw this movie also. What happens in
Mataji, I
Alice
saw
in the
the
Wonderland?
animated movie and I read the book.
Yes, Kartik Prabhu.
They had some अगरबत्ती. We can do this.
हाँ, नहीं, I've just give this a thought. अभी अगरबत्ती को साइड में छोड़ दो, ठीक है? Alice in the Wonderland में Alice बोलती है, in the morning when I wake up, I think of 5 impossible things. है ना? And that animals can talk, and that she could fly, and she
then
would
he
shrink,
killed the dragon.
and she would shrink into a small. So what happens with imagination? We can imagine anything.
एक होती है तो उसको कैटरपिलर दिखता है, एक छोटा, फिर एक
हाँ,
रैबिट दिखता है.
yes,
मैंने वो देखी हुई है.
yes.
And
So
ma'am, the king and queen are basically the playing cards.
yes, playing cards, right? So सोचो
Mataji.
जब so what it's trying to tell us कि हम imagine कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. It is your story. You can imagine anything. So see how you can plug in the agarbatti in your story.
लाइन सब बोल सकते हैं.
Can I write?
हाँ.
Is the devotee of Balram.
हाँ, yes, all if you can. हाँ, yes, definitely बेटा. So as a team you have to decide the story. As a team आप सब लोग एक एक लाइन बोल सकते हो. I will unmute all of you. The point is कि all of you have to work as a team, as a family. ठीक है? And use your imagination. There is no limit to the imagination. Understood? आपको समझ आ गया बेटा?
Bye
Yes,
माता जी.
Mataji.
ठीक है. Hare Krishna. You have 2 more minutes. तो रिलैक्स होकर करो. डोंट वेरी 2 मिनट्स बहुत होते हैं. उसके बाद यू विल गेट अनदर 60 seconds आफ्टर आई क्लोज द रूम. सो एंड यू कैन दिस इज आल्सो वेरी गुड आइडिया इफ यू वांट कि सारे टीम मेंबर्स वन लाइन बोलेंगे. दैट इज आल्सो वेरी गुड आइडिया. वर्क एज अ टीम. आई एम एब्सोल्युटली फाइन विद इट. ठीक है? आई विल अनम्यूट ऑल ऑफ यू इफ यू वांट. ओके
ओके माता जी.
ओके. ऑल द
Okay,
बेस्ट.
Mataji.
ओके. हरे Hare Krishna Madhuri. Okay, they just have 2 more minutes and then I will close the meeting room. Okay, somebody's calling me in the meeting room. I'll just be back.
One line. So do we have to do one line? Do we have to do one line each?
हाँ बेटा, वो एज अ टीम यू हैव टू डिसाइड. आप ये भी डिसाइड कर सकते हो.
जी, अगर हमें पहले पता होता, क्योंकि सब तो कह रहे थे कि माता जी ने कहा था कि एक
हाँ,
बंदे
क्योंकि
को
मैंने ये
decide
बोला
करना
था कि एक बंदा डिसाइड करेगा. अगर आप चाहते हो तो एज अ टीम यू कैन डिसाइड कि वन लाइन बोलेगा. अगर इट विल बी मोर कन्वीनियंट अगर एक ही जना बोले.
माता जी अगर सारे वन लाइन बोलेंगे तो ठीक रहेगा ना, मतलब सबको
माता जी मैंने लिख लिया, मैं बोल सकती हूँ ताकि सब में मिस्टेक्स
हाँ.
को करेक्ट कर सके.
yes you can as a team just decide this. Another thing बेटा, convenience के हिसाब से it will be good if one person can speak, but अगर आप as a team if all of you can synchronize and speak one line, that'll be
माता
wonderful.
जी मुझे लगता है
कोई
फिर
problem नहीं.
मेसी हो जाएगा सब.
वैसे ही हो जाएगा, मुझे वैसे लगता है.
we
But
can
discuss.
just try, we can try one time.
हाँ, अभी ट्राई कर लो and then देख लो if it works or not. ठीक
Okay,
है.
माता जी.
Okay.
But first just see if I've written what is correct, like what is
हाँ,
wrong.
as a team you see if it is correct and correct. Okay, I'll be leaving. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye माता जी.
Bye, माता जी.
Hare Krishna. हरे कृष्णा रूपा माता जी.
हरे कृष्ण माता जी, दंडवत प्रणाम.
हरे कृष्ण माता जी, दंड प्रणाम. माता जी, क्योंकि वो फेस्टिवल क्लास है ना, इसलिए हम गेम्स पर ज्यादा वो करें. अदरवाइज जो स्टार्टिंग में क्या होता है, स्टार्टिंग में वी डू एन एक्टिविटी विच इज बेसिकली आइस ब्रेकर, हम उसको 5-10 मिनट्स मैक्सिमम देते हैं. बट क्योंकि आज फेस्टिवल क्लासेस, तो इसलिए वी गिविंग मोर टाइम. एंड
डेफिनेटली दे नीड टू प्रिपेयर.
हाँ, यस. हरे कृष्णा रिद्धि बेटा, are you joining your breakout area, your team? Okay, somebody is calling me in the room. Mataji, I'll be back. Huh? हरे कृष्णा, आपने बुलाया बेटा? हरे कृष्णा.
हरे कृष्ण माता जी. हरे कृष्ण माता जी.
हरे कृष्णा. Yes, did you call?
माता जी, ये जो हमने लास्ट दी है माता जी, तो इसमें तो कुछ मुश्किल है, तो वो उसका तो बन नहीं रहा कोई भी.
बन सकता है. अच्छा, डेफिनेटली बन सकता है. अच्छा ठीक है, मैं let me ask you something. किसी ने एलिस इन द वंडरलैंड मूवी देखी है, बुक पढ़ी है एलिस इन द वंडरलैंड?
यस माता जी, मैंने थोड़ी सी पढ़ी थी बस, और फिर मैम मेरे को अच्छी नहीं लगी.
अच्छा, इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बुक. मूवी देखना, आई सेंड यू द लिंक. सो एलिस वाज अ गर्ल who said that before I have my breakfast, I think of 5 impossible things. Imagine it. She said कि, और इस मूवी में कि वो ना एक लिक्विड पीती है तो श्रिंक हो जाती है, वो कुछ खाती है तो बहुत बड़ी हो जाती है, बिल्कुल टॉल हाउस की जितनी बड़ी हो जाती है. And she meets animals who can talk. There is a cat who can disappear, and amazing things happen in her wonderland. So story building का concept ये है कि you have to use your imagination. You can do anything. Use your imagination. जरूरी नहीं है कि it has to be a very जैसे कुछ ऐसा हो जो सबने सुना हो. कुछ ऐसा बनाओ जो कभी नहीं किसी ने सुना भी ना हो, इमेजिन भी ना करो. ठीक है, हर पिक्चर से स्टोरी बन सकती है. यू जस्ट हैव टू यूज योर इमेजिनेशन. एक्चुअली क्या होता है, हम जब स्कूल जाते हैं ना, हमें इतना ज्यादा ट्रेन कर दिया जाता है कि सिर्फ वो करो जो आप देख सकते हो, या वो करो जो बुक्स में लिखा है, लेकिन हमारी इमेजिनेशन तो कुछ भी क्रिएट कर सकती है. सो यूज योर इमेजिनेशन. हर पिक्चर से, हर फोटोग्राफ से एक स्टोरी बन सकती है. ठीक है, अब आप बना लोगे?
माता जी. किस माता जी?
एनी स्पेसिफिक पिक्चर जिसमें आपको प्रॉब्लम आ रही है?
माता जी, इसमें जो डंबल्स हैं जो लगे हुए माता जी, माता जी
प्रॉब्लम एक तो फिजिट स्पिनर वाले पिक्चर में आ रही है, और एक लास्ट में जो वीडियो गेम का है उसमें आ रही है.
सोचो, PS5 में आ रही है ना. हाँ, तो सोचो. नाउ यूज योर इमेजिनेशन. बोथ ऑफ देम आर प्लेइंग ऑब्जेक्ट ना, खेलने की चीजें हैं दोनों.
यस माता जी.
है ना. सो सोचो उसको कैसे, बिकॉज यू हैव टू यूज इट इन योर स्टोरी. सोचो सोचो PS4 PS5 को, एक दिस गर्ल हु सैड पढ़कर थक गई है इतनी सारी बुक्स, so maybe she's thinking कि shall I use fidget या मैं PS4 से खेलूं, या let's say वो खेल रही है, I mean I don't know, you have to build a story. ठीक है, use your imagination, कुछ भी हो सकता है स्टोरी में, एनीथिंग. ठीक है, आपको समझ आ गया? यू क्लियर ऑन इट बेटा? अब आप कर लोगे?
Yes,
ओके ठीक है.
how much time is left?
1 minute is left, so you'll get exactly 2 minutes. 1 minute के बाद I will close the breakout area, उसके बाद 60 seconds और मिलेंगे, so you have exactly 2 minutes. ठीक है?
Okay,
Okay. Hare Krishna, all the best. Also assign one person who will be narrating the story. ठीक है? Okay. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Darsh Prabhuji, you've just joined. आपने अभी join करा है? अभी छोड़ भी दिया. बारिश आने वाली है ना?
हाँ जी, started.
Started?
Yes. कोई काम है तो देख लो आप, एक नंबर में बाहर.
हाँ जी, हाँ मैं एक बार अपना कपड़े
देख लो
हाँ, yes. हरे कृष्णा.
हरे कृष्णा माता जी.
आपका हो गया? नीड एनी हेल्प?
Yes,
माता जी हमने स्टोरी बना ली है.
बना ली? सारे ऑब्जेक्ट कवर कर लिए?
यस माता जी.
ठीक है, परफेक्ट. ये डिसाइड कर लिया हु विल बी नरेटिंग द स्टोरी?
यस माता जी.
ठीक है, ओके परफेक्ट. सो बस इन 1 minute द ब्रेकआउट एरिया विल बी क्लोजिंग. ठीक है?
माता जी टाइटल डालना जरूरी है?
नहीं टाइटल नहीं डालो, यू जस्ट हैव टू नरेट द स्टोरी, यू डोंट हैव टू पुट इन द टाइटल, दैट्स ओके. अगर आप डाल सकते हो इट विल बी वंडरफुल, नहीं डाल सकते तो इट इज कंप्लीटली ओके.
माता जी हमने टाइटल सोच लिया है.
Wow, that's very good. That's very good. So that is, doing one step extra. Very nice. Hari bol. Hare Krishna. All the children are coming back.
हरे कृष्णा माता जी.
Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा माता जी.
कृष्णा माता जी.
Hare Krishna. Okay, we have 10 more seconds for everybody to join back. So I can see team 2 is here, team Lakshman is here, and team 1 is also about to join. Okay, I see everybody is here. Okay, so I am going to unmute team 1. Okay, so team 1, please unmute yourself. All of you.
Yes माता जी.
Hare Krishna. Okay, so now let's hear some interesting stories. Do you want me to share the screen with the picture so that you can narrate the story? Okay.
Yes माता जी, everyone will able to relate then.
Yes.
The story, Ananya Mataji, and she's going to narrate it for us.
Okay.
Yes,
perfect.
Mataji.
Perfect. Ananya Mataji, you're on unmute now.
Yes माता जी.
Okay. Hari bol. Okay. So let's hear an interesting story now.
And Mataji, all of us contributed.
Hari bol.
The title of the story is Balram's Magical World of Chanting. So, this is a story of a child, Balbhadra, who went to the school. He loved cats and sports, but neither his mother allowed him to keep a cat, nor he was good at sports. Every day he got teased by his playmates. They said, "Hey, the loser boy has come," because he was not good at sports at all. Because of this, he was not able to focus on his studies and so got really bad marks in the school exams. His mother got angry with him and scolded him a lot. She said, "This is what I pay for. Why can't you concentrate on your studies well?" On that day, he felt that no one loves him and he ran away from his house. On the way, he saw a temple and went there. There, Panditji saw that Balbhadra was very sad and said, "Child, you look very worried. I have solution to all your problems. I am giving you a mala and a mantra. Recite it." The mantra is Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaur Bhaktivinoda. So, when Balbhadra started chanting, he felt so relieved and connected to Lord Balram that he forgot all his problems and started doing well at sports, studies, and was the happiest child in the world. Lord Balram solved all his problems. So, the moral of the story is that we are not alone in this world. Lord Balram is always with us, and his chanting can solve all our problems.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Thank you so much. That was an amazing story. I think all of us can unmute ourselves and give a big Hari Bol for team 1. Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Hari Bol, team 1. Anand Shay's very, very beautiful story. Hari Bol. Okay, now it's time for team 2, team Lakshman. Okay, so team Lakshman, I'm going to unmute you. Have I unmuted everybody in team Lakshman? So just let me know.
Yes,
Aditi. Yeah, okay. Sorry, Aditi. Sorry. Is everybody unmute?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Who will be narrating? Aditi. Aditi, can you unmute yourself, beta?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, beta. Yes. Okay.
So the title of our story is God is with everyone. Yes.
Hari Bol.
Mataji, please share the slides.
Ha, beta. Am I sharing
Yes,
this?
I can.
Yes.
So there was a boy named Lakshman. He loved to play guitar and he wanted to go at a peaceful place to play guitar. So he invited his friends to come with him. So they went to the jungle and he started playing guitar and his friends danced and sang as well. While dancing, they got near a house in which there were vacuum cleaners, dumbbells, chairs, and tables. On that table, they saw that there was a container in which there was a powdered chandan and a photo of Krishnaji. So the powder of chandan smelled very pleasant, and the guitar boy applied it on his forehead. As he played the guitar, a polar bear came and they all got scared. So when the polar bear came near the boy, Balramji came to help them. All his friends were shocked, but the guitar boy was not shocked because he believed in Balramji and Krishnji. So when Balramji saved them, all his friends also believed in Balramji and Krishnji, and they also applied the tilak.
Hari Bol. Thank you so much. We will discuss in one class that what is the importance of tilak. So thank you so much. Yes, this tilak represents a lot of important things. And in the Shastra also, there are a lot of reference in the tilak. So Hari Bol, team 2, very, very beautifully narrated. And I'll unmute everybody. I think we need to give a big Hari Bol for team 2. Hari Bol. Very nice.
Hari Bol.
माताजी नेक्स्ट टाइम हमारी ना माताजी सब बोलना चाहते हैं, मुझे भी बोलना चाहता है, मैं भी बोलना चाहती हूँ, कार्तिक भी बोलना चाहते हैं हम, क्योंकि हम सब ने ना थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट होगा हमारी स्टोरी में।
Perfect. ठीक है. So all of you can speak. I will unmute all of you. ठीक है. Let me quickly unmute all team 3 now. So we've got
कार्तिक की स्टोरी, कार्तिक प्रभु जी की स्टोरी मैं कंफ्यूज
वो माताजी चार्ट में लिखी है।
Okay, so you have to speak one story, but yes, if you want to, if all of you want to speak the story, then that's fine. Okay, so maybe you can
Mataji,
bring
there's
two.
a twist. Means there's a
That's
twist
fine.
in each story.
Each story, perfect. Okay, I'm going to unmute all of you. Okay, is everybody unmute from team 3?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Okay, so you can start
Mataji,
with the
if
story.
you want, one can only recite. So
माताजी
Jia
दो
Mataji
तीन
can only
स्लाइड आप
recite.
कर सकते हैं.
So
हाँ,
Mataji,
so
Jia Mataji can only recite.
Yes,
that's
Mataji.
funny. As
Jia
a
Mataji
team,
can
you have to
decide.
decide. Yes. Okay, perfect. Okay, Jia Mataji, go ahead. Hari bol.
Okay, Mataji. Mataji, once there was a good scientist. He was fond of making many experiments. Once he made a wonderful plane and an electronic hand. Then some children were passing by and he asked them to have a ride in it. When they reached a place, then there were many hyenas there and they were scared of hyenas. Then the children started praying to Lord Balram and had some agabattis in their pockets. And then Lord Balram blessed them.
Hari bol. Very important lesson. That whenever we are in trouble, we should call out for the name of God. Just like Arjun did. Yes, yes. Very, very important
Mataji,
lesson.
Mataji,
even
and according
Mataji.
to the story, Mataji, it was a good scientist. There is
Yes,
one more
Mataji.
story of Kartik Prabhuji
Yes,
of a bad scientist.
Okay, you want to narrate that? You can narrate that also.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah.
Once
Kartik, you
there
want?
was an yes, Mataji, Kartik Prabhuji, you can narrate your story.
Yes,
Once
Kartik
there was-
Prabhuji, go ahead, go ahead. Yes.
Okay, Mataji. Mataji, there once lived an evil scientist who used to make notorious experiments. Once he made an humanoid robotic hand, and with that he used to annoy the people who were passing by on the streets. He used to do these deeds every day, and he used to sell these to far distant countries by using his airplane. So what happened was that once he encountered a group of children who were going from their homes to from their school to their homes, and he annoyed them as well. So as you know that children are very dear to Krishna, and the children prayed to God that he annoys everyone and so. Therefore Balramji then cursed the scientist to become an hyena in his next birth, and accordingly he became one, and he lived his sorrowful life in the body of the hyena. But because of a coincidence, or you can call it a mercy of Krishna, that he was once in his jungle when he saw a great devotee praying his humble obeisances and prayers to Krishna with the help of agarbattis. And from then on, he started doing so, and he also got blessed and was released from his sorrowful life.
Hari bol, Hari bol. Thank you so much, Kartik Prabhuji. So two important lessons that we learned from this. One, take shelter of the Lord. Second, take association of devotees. जब हम devotees का संग करते हैं तो हमें भगवान की mercy automatically मिल जाती है, क्योंकि जो devotees होते हैं, it is said they are even more merciful than the Lord themselves. Hari bol. Thank you so much. So let's unmute ourselves and let's give a big round of applause for Balram, Team Balram.
Really good, Mataji.
हरे कृष्णा
उनकी story तो हमारी story से भी अच्छी थी.
नहीं बहुत अच्छी थी जिया माताजी. Both your stories were amazing. So Hari bol.
Mataji,
Yes beta.
Mataji, can you hear me?
Yes Arshi beta, I can hear you now. Yes.
Okay, Mataji. I changed the earphones. I was asking.
Okay. नहीं, very nice. So we can give a big Hari bol. Hari
bol.
For Team Balram. Okay, now Team Nityananda. Team 4. Let me unmute Team 4 now.
Ma'am, Nityananda was also a star of Lord Balram only.
Yes. We'll get to know all of that today.
And that's why we included in our story the chant of Nityananda.
Yes. Hari bol. Okay, have I unmuted everybody in Team 4?
Yes, Mataji. Yes. Mataji, you in the screen. It is story time.
Oh, sorry. Thank you with it. Okay. Now, Team Nityananda, you can. Who will be narrating the story?
Mataji, you have been
Unmuted Shaleen Mataji.
Shaleen Mataji, okay, sorry. Shaleen Mataji, you can unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, yes, okay. Krishna Shaleen Mataji, are you unmute or did I mute you again? Okay, no, sorry. Shaleen Mataji, please unmute yourself. Please beta mute mat karna. हाँ, ठीक है. Okay, thank you. Hare Krishna. Shaleen beta, you're able to unmute up. बोल पा रहे हो बेटा?
Yes, Mataji, ma'am. Mataji, I don't have to narrate the story.
अच्छा, sorry. Who has to narrate the story, beta, from your team?
Mataji, I have.
Ma'am, Vriti Mataji.
Vriti. Okay, Vriti Mataji. Go ahead. Yes. Narrate the story.
The title of my story is The Thoughtful Girl.
Okay.
Thoughtful and imaginary girl. एक बार एक गर्ल थी जो कि हर वक्त स्पिनर से खेलती रहती थी. एवरी टाइम शी इज प्लेइंग एंड प्लेइंग. तो फिर उसकी मदर ने उसको एक बार बोला कि तुम पढ़ाई नहीं करती, तुम हमेशा खेलती रहती हो. तो फिर वो जब भी पढ़ाई करने बैठती तो फिर वो हमेशा एनिमल्स, पीपल्स के बारे में सोचती रहती कि ये ऐसे क्यों है, ये कैसे हैं, ऐसे वो सोचती रहती थी. तो फिर वो ऐसे सोचती रहती थी. तो फिर और वो म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स चलाने में भी बहुत अच्छी थी. वो हमेशा म्यूजिक भी बजाती रहती थी और सब उसको अप्रिशिएट करते थे कि वो बहुत ही अच्छा म्यूजिक बजाती है. तो फिर वो एक बार ना उसने अपनी मदर से पूछा कि ये एनिमल्स ऐसे क्यों होते हैं. तो फिर एनिमल्स जैसे क्यों होते हैं, किसने बनाया है. तो फिर उसकी मदर ने रिप्लाई करा कि लॉर्ड कृष्णा, लॉर्ड बलराम ने इनको बनाया है. तो फिर ना लॉर्ड कृष्णा और लॉर्ड बलराम ने बनाया. तो फिर उसके माइंड में क्वेश्चन आए कि ये लॉर्ड कृष्णा, लॉर्ड बलराम कौन है, हाउ ब्यूटीफुल दे आर, ये कितने ब्यूटीफुल हैं, ये कैसे होते हैं, मैंने तो कभी नहीं देखा इनको. तो फिर वो पूरा टाइम इन्हीं के बारे में सोचती रहती. एंड once upon a time she's sleeping and Lord Balram came in his dream. So he's very excited to see Lord Balram. So when he wake up, तो फिर उसने अपनी मदर को बताया और अपने फादर को बताया, अपने नेबर्स को बताया और सब उसको सुन के बहुत ही खुश हो गए. उन्होंने कहा बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ कि लॉर्ड बलराम इसके ड्रीम है. और वो हर वक्त उसके बाद लॉर्ड बलराम के बारे में, लॉर्ड कृष्णा के बारे में सोचती रही. एंड देन जब वो सोचती रही तो फिर उसने अपनी मदर से क्वेश्चन करा कि हमें अगर उनको दोबारा देखना है, अगर हमें उनकी भक्ति चाहिए तो हम क्या करें. तो उन्होंने कहा कि तुम हमेशा चैंटिंग करो, हरे कृष्णा महामंत्र करो. तो फिर उसने हरे कृष्णा महामंत्र करना शुरू कर दिया और अपने आसपास के सब लोगों को बताया ताकि वो भी कृष्णा के डिवोटी बने और वो भी चैंट करें.
हरी बोल, हरी बोल. Thank you so much.
I have one doubt that Mataji did not use PS5.
No, they did. You did use that. And very important, thank you so much. Very important lessons is that we should always do Hare Krishna Mahamantra. We should always remember Krishna, like Mataji said in the beginning of the class. Always remember Krishna, never forget Krishna. And second thing, we should always tell others about Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, because Krishna said, one who gives this knowledge to others is the most dearer to me. Right? So thank you so much, Team Fort. Very, very nice. Team Nityanand. Nityanand is the most merciful incarnation of Lord Balramji. He's Balramji himself. So I think all of you can unmute yourself and give a big, big, big Hari, 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 Bol to Nityanand ji.
Hari bol.
Hari bol, Hari bol, Hari bol.
Hari Bol. Okay. Now, very important. Now, we did a game, and now let's do one thing. Now it's story time, and this time the story will be very interesting. So let's see. Today we are celebrating Lord Balram's appearance of Lord Balram. So it's important that we know more about Lord Balram, right? So to know more about Lord Balram, we will have to understand about the birth of Lord Balram. Lord Balram is most merciful. When Krishna first expanded himself as Lord Balram. So the first expansion from Krishna is Lord Balram. And there is no difference between Balramji and Krishnaji. The only difference is Krishnaji has a Shambhavan. He has a blackish and a bluish complexion. And Balramji is white. He's white just like a cotton ball. And he's white like a white cloud in the sky. He's so beautiful, right? And there's one more difference which we will be discussing. So this all began in the Dwapar Yuga. So in the Dwapar Yuga, Mother Earth, she was feeling very distressed. And why was she feeling distressed? Because there were so many kings. There were so many kings who were demonic, who had demonic nature. So there was so much of meat eating happening. There was so much of animal killing happening. There was so much of injustice happening. People were not respecting the Shastras. They were not doing righteous things. So Mother Earth was feeling very distressed. And Mother Earth said that I'm feeling the burden. And when a person is unlawful, when a person is not following religious principle, that person is like a burden on the earth. तो कभी कभी आपने मूवीज में एक डायलॉग सुना होगा, तुम तो धरती पर बोझ हो. ऐसे डायलॉग सुना है ना? यू कैन लेट मी नो इफ यू हर्ड दिस डायलॉग ऑफ कि तुम तो धरती पर बोझ हो, है ना? ऐसी मूवी में कुछ डायलॉग बोलते हैं. यस. सो इसका मतलब, एंड दिस इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द शास्त्रास ओनली. सो मदर अर्थ सेड आई एम फीलिंग द बर्डन. I'm feeling the burden of so many unlawful kings. So Mother Earth went to Brahma ji, and all of them along with Mother Earth, so all the demigods, all the Devi Devtas, Brahma ji, Shiv ji, along with Mother Earth went to Kshir Sagar, and they prayed to Lord Vishnu, and they said that Mother Earth is in distress, please come and help. So Lord Vishnu sent a secret message to Brahma ji, not on WhatsApp, not on his personal message of WhatsApp, but in the heart of Brahma ji. And he said that it is time for Lord Krishna to appear himself. So this time he will not send his incarnation, but he will appear himself on the earth to relieve the burden of Mother Earth, to destroy all the demons and demonic nature on Mother Earth. So it was time for Krishna to come onto earth in Dwapar Yuga. Now let me ask you a question. How many of you have ever gone to a theater to watch a movie, or you've gone to or you've gone to a theme park, water park? How many of you gone to water park, right? Or let's say you've gone to India Gate or somewhere on a picnic. So do you go alone? Do you go alone to watch a movie, or do you go alone to a picnic? Or
Mataji, our parents go with us.
Yes, who else goes with you?
Parents, grandparents.
Parents, grandparents, brothers, sisters. In school, when you go picnic, do you go alone? Only you sit in the bus and go to the picnic?
With our classmates and teachers.
Yes,
And
with your
teachers.
friends. Yes, and
Yes,
teachers.
Mataji.
Hari Bol. That's very nice. Yes, that's right. So when all of us go for a picnic with our friends and family, do you think when Krishna wants to come to earth, will he come alone? No, he does not come alone. He comes with his friends and families. So when Krishna was about to take birth on earth, he told all the Devi Devtas, all the demigods, to go and take birth on earth. So everybody, all the demigods, Indra, Chandra, sun god, everybody took birth on earth before Krishna took birth, right? And then after that, it was time for Lord Balram to take birth. So even before Lord Krishna, Lord Balram took birth. So let's see exactly what happened. So we'll watch a small video to see exactly how the birth of Lord Balram was arranged on earth, right? And I should not even say birth. It is basically his appearance was arranged on earth, right?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Okay, so let's go and watch that. Oops, 1 second. My screen is stuck. I don't know why. Let me stop sharing. Okay, let me share again. Sorry.
Mom, I don't know, but it's showing not sharing.
Because I'm not sharing right now. Just 1 second. Okay, let me share now. Okay. Hari Bol. So this is how we saw that Balram ji, when he was in the womb of Mother Devki, he was moved to the womb of Mother Rohini. Now let's see when Balram ji is born, what happens. So Balram ji, he looked so cute. How many of you agree Balram ji looks cute?
Yes, Mataji, Balamji, so cute.
Yes, Balram ji,
Yes,
so cute.
Mataji.
Yes. Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Hari Bol. Yes. Khushi Mataji, Himanshi Mataji, Akansh Prabhu, you want to say something, beta? Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. So wouldn't it be nice, you know, if we could go and watch and see the activities of Balramji and Krishna? Balramji is so nice. He's so sweet.
माताजी शिवजी ने क्या क्या दिया?
शिवजी ने क्या क्या दिया? क्या रूप लिया?
जी माताजी.
हाँ, we'll come to that also.
माताजी उन्होंने तो कृष्ण जी के शिवांश था ना, उनका बेटा कृष्ण जी का, उनका
हाँ,
नाम शाम था.
Sam था. Yes.
Yes, Mataji, I know Sam.
Yes, that's right.
जी माताजी मैंने बहुत बार
माताजी बहुत बुरा है शाम. माताजी शाम बहुत
We should not say like that.
बहुत बुरा है शाम. वो षड्यंत्र करता है, उसने अपने छोटे भाई को भी जेल में बंद करवा दिया था.
Yes.
इतना बुरा है.
Yes.
मैं तो राधा कृष्णा देखता हूँ.
हाँ, मैं भी से, आपको पता है
हर दिन आता है.
हर दिन
मम्मा और मैं देखते हैं एक साथ.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
मैं भी.
Yes. Okay. Harshima Mataji,
और
you
अभी
want to
तो
say something?
अश्वमेध यज्ञ वाला चल
Yes,
रहा है.
Mataji.
Yes, beta. Yes, go ahead.
Mataji, I wanted to say, Mataji, you said that Dwapar Yuga mein Lord Krishna himself came. But ma'am, Lord Krishna was avatar of Lord Vishnu, right?
No, Lord Krishna is not avatar of Lord Vishnu. This is, remember we did chapter 3. Were you present when we did chapter 3?
No, Mataji, actually I had exams.
So I'll send you the recording. So that's what we covered in chapter 3. That Krishna is the time machine. So who all wants to sit in the time machine and go back 5,000 years back to Vrindavan? Right? Okay, so all of you get ready. Let's sit in our time machine and let the time machine go back 5,000 years back to Vrindavan. Okay, yes, we're going back. Time is moving back. And where are we? Wow, this is such a beautiful forest. Can you smell the air? It's so fresh. There is no pollution. Wow, and it's not hot also. The weather is so nice, so pleasant. Are we back where they are? How old are they? Oh, I can see they're trying to steal butter. Let's quickly, quietly hide and be, behind the wall and see what Krishna and Balram are doing. Look, they're peeking inside the house. Let's see.
जब हम इनका दही माखन चुराएंगे ना, तो देखना कोई नहीं हंसेगा।
देखा मैंने माखन की हांडी ऊपर क्यों रखी, ताकि ये दोनों नटखट कुछ भी न चुरा पाए।
मिल गया। इससे तुम क्या करोगे कृष्णा? वर्षा करूंगा। मुझे वर्षा नहीं, माखन चाहिए, माखन।
तुम दोनों माखन चोरों को मैंने पकड़ लिया। तुम दोनों को दंड दे। इनकी शरारतें अब बढ़ती ही जा रही हैं। तुम्हें अपने नटखट पुत्रों को दंडित करना चाहिए।
हमने इन्हें हमारा माखन चुराते पकड़ा, फिर से। क्या ये सत्य है?
हमने माखन चुराया मैया, और उसकी एक एक बूंद का स्वाद लिया। क्या अब हमें दंडित करोगी?
हाँ, अवश्य करूंगी, पर तब जब मेरे हृदय को आनंदित करने वाले मेरे दोनों पुत्र मेरे गले लगेंगे। हमारे नटखट।
Hari bol. So what do we see here? We see that Lord Balram, he's so worried about his younger brother, just like an elder brother. वो अपने छोटे भाई के बारे में कितना सोच रहे हैं, और मम्मा से शिकायत भी करते हैं, जैसे बड़े भाई और सिस्टर्स शिकायत करते हैं ना, वो मम्मा से शिकायत भी करने जाते हैं कि मम्मा कृष्णा ने माटी खाई, and mother Yashoda is also saying that Balram ji is so worried. So second thing that we saw about Balram ji, that he cares so much about Krishna like an elder brother, but unfortunately
I want to see when Balram ji and Krishna ji is 4 years or 5 years old, what they do.
Yes, sure, definitely. And like Jia Mataji said, that when Balram ji came as Lakshman, because he was a younger brother, so Lord Ram was never able to, he was never able to say anything to Lord Ram, and he had to listen to everything.
Yes,
but we see
that is
even
why Lakshman ji, ma'am, wish that in my next birth,
Yes,
can I be the elder brother?
elder
of
brother,
you?
yes. But we see now, even as an elder brother, even then Krishna is not listening to him. See, even when Balram ji comes as an elder brother, he says, Krishna, don't eat mud. Krishna says, no, I don't want to, don't want to listen to you. Even then he doesn't listen
माता
to
जी,
him.
एक और चीज है माता जी, लक्ष्मण और बलराम जी के अवतार में एक चीज तो हम सिमिलैरिटी देखते हैं कि बलराम जी और लक्ष्मण जी दोनों ही बहुत फास्ट एंग्री हो जाते हैं।
Yes, thank you so much. I was about to say कि दोनों ही बहुत गुस्से वाले हैं. And why? जो गुस्सा लक्ष्मण जी और बलराम जी के ट्रांसडेंटल गुस्सा है, because both of them they use this anger for Krishna. So this is a transcendental anger. So because they get angry not for themselves कि मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला, but they get angry when somebody harms or tries to harm Krishna and Lord Ram. Yes, thank you, Jaya Mataji. Very nice point. Okay, so let's see more. Now Krishna and Balram are only 2 years old. Let's see, like Vidit rightly said,
Yes.
let's see what happens when they're 4 years old. So okay, for that we will again have to sit back into our time machine and move ahead for 2-3 years. Okay, so let's quickly sit into our time machines and let's move to 2-3 years. Let's come back again.
स्वादिष्ट है।
मैं नंद महाराज को विशेष उपहार देने के लिए इन मीठे फलों की एक टोकरी भरकर ले जाऊंगा। ये तो बहुत भली सोची सुबला।
देखो मधुमंगल कितना परिश्रमी है और परिश्रम का फल खुद ही खा रहा है। मुझे तो एक ही चीज सूझ रही है, सोना।
सुबला, तुम्हें भी थोड़ा विश्राम कर लेना चाहिए।
भली कही भैया, मैं भी यही सोच रहा था।
पर कृष्णा, मेरा कार्य पूरा नहीं हुआ। ये कार्य मैं कर लूंगा सुबला।
Mataji, Krishna and Balram are so amazing. How Krishna was swinging and Balramji was helping Krishna in plucking mangoes.
Yes, isn't it amazing? Think if we could also do the same thing, pluck mangoes.
But Mataji, we can't go further.
Yes, we should not go further. We just we should just hide and watch what Krishna and Balram are doing. Isn't it amazing that how they're playing beautifully on such beautiful forest and there's such ripe mangoes. कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ना देखकर। आपको किस किस को मैंगो वाले पेड़ पर चढ़कर आम तोड़ने हैं? किस किस को पेड़ पर चढ़कर? मुझे भी
मुझे तोड़ने हैं।
I also want.
Yes.
Mataji, ma'am, just beside my balcony, there's a mango tree. तभी mango season आया था तो बहुत सारे आम आए थे। पर मैं चढ़ नहीं पाती, तो मुझे चढ़ना आता नहीं है। मम्मा कहते गिर जाओगे। So I couldn't climb the mango tree. But मेरे पापा ने तोड़ दिया डंडी से।
Hari bol. Yes.
Mataji, I want to see how Krishna and Balram play with their friends.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Now, let's see what happens when Krishna and Balram are 5 years old. When Krishna is 5 years old and Balram is 6 years old, because when they were 5 years old, they were given a duty to take out the calves, which is basically the baby cows for grazing. तो उनको काम मिला था कि जो बेबी काउस हैं उनको चराने के लिए ले जाने के लिए। तो अभी वो तो 5 years के थे, तो वो बड़ी काउस को तो नहीं ले जा सकते थे, पर वो बेबी काउस को लेकर जाते थे। So let's see what happens. Yes.
Mataji, I want to see that when Krishna grow diamonds from.
Yes, Krishna grows pearls, right? Yes, so Krishna can do anything. He's full of magic. So let's see now what happens when Balramji is 6 years old and when Krishna is 5 years old. So let's go and see what's happening. Okay, it looks like all the friends, Krishna, Balram and all their friends, they're getting ready to take the calves to the forest. Wow, look how beautifully are they decorated, all of them. And look how beautifully is Balram and Krishna decorated. Krishna has a peacock feather and Balramji has a blue turban. And they've decorated the cows also so beautifully. Isn't that great? Krishna can remember the name of each and every calf. And Balramji also remembers the name of each and every calf. Wow, there's so many calves and all of them remember their names. And all of them come running when they call their name. So when Balramji calls the name of a calf, the calf comes running. Oh, isn't that amazing? Oh, now it is time for them to go. So Krishna and Balram are walking in the front and all their friends along with the calves are walking behind. They look so happy in the morning following Krishna and Balram. And now they're playing games. So this is their daily activity. Every day when you used to take the calves in the forest, they used to play games. Don't they look happy? Oh, look now, Balramji is tired and he's saying that I want to rest. And Krishna is massaging the feet of Lord Balram. How happy do they look? And now it is time for them to go back home. Oh, already it's time for them to go back home. Oh, that's really sad. We want to know more. But what is this friend? What is this Gopa saying? Subala is saying something to Balramji. Let's hear closely. What is he saying? Subala is saying, Subala and Madhu Mangal, both of them are feeling very hungry and they can smell a fruit. Which fruit are they able to smell? Oh, they're saying they can smell a fruit from the Tal one.
Mataji, Tal one?
Yes, Tal one. Tal one is a forest where there are a lot of palm trees and they're very delicious tal fruits in that trees. But you know what? That evil Kansa, he's put a boundary on that area because he does not want to give this fruit to anybody in the people, any one of the people in the village of Vrindavan. He wants to eat all the fruit. He wants to make some kind of drinks from these fruits. So he's very evil. So he's stopped everybody from entering that forest. Oh, look, Madhu Mangal is going to Balramji. He's saying, dear Balram, I want to eat that fruit. Please help me. And Balramji always fulfills our desires. So Balramji is saying, come, let's go to the forest and let's eat those fruits. So we can see that Balramji and Krishna, they're not scared of Kansa. Even if Balramji is 6 years old, he's not scared of Kansa. Oh, they're inside the forest and Balramji is shaking the tree. So all the fruits are falling down. Wow, don't these fruits look delicious? And all the gopas are catching the fruits and they eating the fruits. Oh, but you know what? I remember one thing. In this forest, there is a demon. There is a demon called Dhenukasur. He's a donkey demon.
Now how Krishna and Balram will survive? This demon look very angry.
Yes, Vidit Prabhuji, the demon looks angry. And look at his red eyes. He's about to attack Balramji and Krishna. Oh God. Oh, please, Balramji, please protect Balramji, Krishna. Let's see what happens. He's running towards Balramji. Oh no, he's kicked the chest of Balramji. But how is it that Balramji is still smiling? The donkey kicked Balramji so hard, but he's still smiling.
Yes, Mataji, he is a demon also.
Yes, he's the demon and he's huge. But Balramji knows how to deal with the demon. So he's holding his leg and he's swinging him. Just like a fan. Yes, do you see the demon moving round? Just like the fan goes round.
Balramji is so powerful.
Yes, Balramji is very powerful. Just like his name. He's Bal. He has power. And he's Ram, which is pleasure giving. And he's also powerful because he gives us spiritual knowledge. Oh, he's moving it. Oh, he's thrown the demon Dhenukasur on the top of a tree. But do you hear anything else with it?
Yes, Mataji, I am hearing some noise of some more donkeys like Dhenukasur.
Oh, they're coming here. I can hear the footsteps. They look angry. Oh, and I can hear the horrifying noise, the sound that they're making.
Mataji, now what Balramji will do?
Let us first, all of us hide behind the tree. Let's see what will happen. Oh, but we know that Balramji is not alone. There's Krishna also. So both of them are holding the donkeys, the demon donkey friends of the Dhenukasur demon, and they're moving them round.
And Mataji, Subala, Madhu Mangal, they are eating fruits.
Yes, they're eating fruits because they know that Krishna will protect them, right? So there is a saying, Maya Das, Sada Udas, Krishna Das, Sada Bindas. They never worried. Yes, that's right. Oh, Krishna and Balram have killed all the demons and freed the forest of Talwan. So now everybody in Vrindavan come and visit the forest of Talwan and eat the fruits.
So everyone can eat the fruit of Vrindavan. Balram ji and Krishna ji ki.
Jai, Jai. So Krishna and Balram ji ki Jai. Hari bol. So how many of you want to go to the Tal forest and eat the fruit of the Tal?
Mataji, I want to go.
Mataji, I also want to go. Ma'am, they sound really delicious. Ma'am, from Balram ji and Krishna, what's fighting for?
Yes, yes, that's right. So that's the reason why we always say Maya Das, Sada Udas, Krishna Das, Sada Bindas. They're always fearless because they know that Krishna and Balram will protect them. So Krishna and Balram ki Jai. So now let's see. So this was the demon called Dhenukasur, which was killed by Krishna. Now, are there other demons also which are killed by Krishna? But we'll have to see.
So, Mataji, it can be there. Let's travel through our time machine.
Yes, yes. So Krishna killed a lot of demons. But do you know that Balramji also killed a lot of demons? Let's go and see. Let's move a few years ahead. Let's see what do Krishna and Balram are doing. Oh, we've landed again in Vrindavan. Which place is this? There is a waterfall.
It is Vrindavan. It is very beautiful.
Yes, it is beautiful. There is a waterfall and there is a mountain. Is this Govardhan Parvat? Looks like this is Govardhan.
So, because it is so beautiful.
Yes, and do you see there's so many fruit and flower trees? The Govardhan Parvat is full of trees and waterfalls. And there is a lake with lotus in it. But where are Krishna and Balram?
Yes, Mataji. No, Mataji, I am not seeing him. Oh, there he is.
Okay, let's see. Where is Krishna and Balram? Oh, I can see some of Krishna and Balram's friends. They are
Mataji,
watching.
Who is there? Who is there leading them? I can't see them properly.
Yes, you're right. I think it's Krishna. Let's look more closely. Let's see what they're doing.
Yes. Mataji, Krishna is playing their flute and Balramji is dancing.
Yes, you're right. Krishna is playing his flute and Balramji is dancing. And so does all the Gopa friends. They're also dancing. They're playing blue girls. They're even playing wrestling match.
Yes.
Wow, how much. Amazing. Aren't they having a lot of fun? Let's now go ahead and see what else do we see. Oh, now they're playing games. They're playing hide and seek.
And Balramji is finding everyone.
Yes, the Balramji's got the den and he's trying to find everyone. Look, that all his friends are trying to climb on the tree. They're running because but they know that Balramji will come in and catch them. Oh, now Balramji is not able to find anyone.
Everyone is sitting on the tree. But I know Balramji can find everyone. He's just playing with his friends.
Yes, you're right. Balramji knows everything. And do you say this boy, he's trying to climb on the Govardhan Parvat and try to hide from Balramji? That you're right. Yes. Balramji will find all of them. Oh, I think they're done with their game. And now they're taking
they are sitting on the branch and diving into the river, or we can say pool.
Yes, now they're taking a cool bath in the pond, in the lake near Govardhan Parvat. What else? Oh, Krishna wants to play a new game.
Yes, he's calling everyone.
Yes, let's see more. What is happening? Oh, Krishna is dividing everyone in two teams.
Team
so one
Krishna
is
and Team Balram.
Yes, so one is Team Krishna and another one is Team Balram. So just like we played a game just some time back where all of us had divided ourselves in teams. Even Krishna and Balram used to play games where they divided themselves in teams. So we've got Team Krishna and we've got Team Balram. Now let's see what game are they playing. So, oh, it looks like they're playing a game of wrestling. Oh, do you see? Krishna is wrestling with a Gopa and Balramji is wrestling with another friend of him. And who is that watching from the sky? What do you think? Who is watching that from the sky? What do you think? Who are
Mataji,
those
I
three
think so.
people?
They are demigods.
Oh yes. Does that look like Lord Indra and Lord Chandra and Lord the Surya Dev? Yes, it looks
Yes.
like all of them are watching from the
And
sky.
Mataji, sub Mataji is going closer to Krishna. Come here back, Mataji. We don't have to go closer to Krishna.
Yes, yes, come, come, come. We need to hide. We can't go in front of Krishna. We just have to hide and watch. Now, oh, it looks like Team Balram has won the match and Team Krishna has lost the match. So what is the punishment of the match? The punishment is that the losing team has to lift the winning team on their shoulders and take them for a ride. So all the members of the losing team will lift the members of the winning team on their shoulder and they will take them for a ride in the forest of Vrindavan. So see, there is one Gopa who's lifted Balramji. And because Krishna's team lost, so Krishna is holding another Gopa. Aren't they having so much of fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Mataji, where is this boy taking Balramji? Can you see anyone Gopa, Krishna around him?
No, I don't see that. This boy, he looks very mysterious. Why is he taking Balramji away from everybody else? Let's follow him. I think there's something fishy. Let's follow this guy. Let's follow Balramji.
Oh, Mataji, what this guy changed to? It's looking like a demon. And look at his nails.
Yes, and look at his teeth. My God, he's got such big teeth. What's happening? How come he's growing in size? He was a small boy. How come his height is increasing?
Oh, Mataji, he is a demon. He has sharp nails and sharp
teeth. Yes. And look at him. He's grown so big, so huge, even taller than a tree. And he looks so ugly. Yuck. He looks as if he's not taken a bath.
Now what will we Balramji do?
But you know what? Do you see Balramji smiling? Isn't it?
Yes.
And looks like Balramji is going to give him one tight punch. He deserves, this demon deserves it. Oh, look at Balramji. He looks like a white cloud in a big mountain. And he's given a...
He has given a tight punch to that demon.
Oh, looks like the demon is gone just in one punch. So Balramji is so powerful.
Yes, Balramji is so powerful. Look, Krishna and his friends is praising Balramji.
Yes, Dao Ji ki Jai. Krishna ke Dao Ji ki Jai. Lord Balram ki Jai. Jai, Jai. What else do we see here? Who are these people?
Oh, I think so. They are demigods. Demigods are flowering flowers to Balramji and Krishna.
Oh, I was wondering how these flowers are falling from the sky. Yes, you're right. They're all demigods. And look at these beautiful flowers. And they're not even earthly flowers. They smell so beautifully. They're all praising Krishna and Balram. And all the Gopas are so happy for Krishna and Balram. They're hugging Balram, congratulating Balram. And now, all of them are marching back home as if nothing has happened. Happily going back home after their beautiful pastimes. Hari Bol. I think we should now come back home to where we are.
How should we go back home?
Because our class is about to end and we need to do a quiz also. So we'll be back home.
And our mothers will say that what were you doing in the class? Were you gone in the phone?
Yes, all the parents will be worried. Where are the children? They were just sitting here watching the class. Where did they disappear? They didn't knew that we've gone to Vrindavan. This is a secret now. All of us have that we went to Vrindavan 5,000 years back.
Mataji, we will not tell anyone. And we will also go every day.
Yes. So we're not supposed to tell anyone. Hari Bol. So we are back now. So did all of you see that how Balramji killed the demon called Pralambasur and Denikasur, and he had such beautiful pastimes.
Mataji.
Mataji, this is a secret we see the Balram and Krishna.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Hari Hari Bol. Now, all of us saw how Balramji was born. All of us saw how beautiful pastimes Balramji did. You know, he stole butter. He stopped Krishna from eating mud. He even used to tease Krishna.
Balramji is so careful. He takes care of Krishna.
Yes. And he also used to complain about Krishna, just like all elder brothers and sisters.
Krishna teases Balramji all the time. In the first
Yes.
Yuga, Lakshmanji was not able to tell Ramji that I can fight you. You can sit with Sita Maharani. And now, when Balramji is elder, Krishna is not listening to Balramji.
Yes, that's right. Now, after all these pastimes, we need to understand the Tattva of Balramji, because Balramji is the Adi Guru. Like in the first slide we saw, and Adi means first. So he is the first Guru.
Who is holy?
He's the first Guru. So what we'll do is all of us will sing a song for Balramji. It is a very sweet song. Who wants to sing a song for Balramji?
Mataji, I want to sing a song.
I want to sing a song.
Yes.
Mataji, I want to sing a song.
Yes.
Mataji also want to sing a song.
Hari Bol. So we'll sing a song along with Radhika Mataji. So the first line is, who is holding that mighty plow? Yes, so,
Hari Bol.
yes, thank you. So all of you can repeat after me so that everybody knows what are the lines. The first is, who is holding that mighty plow? Hari Hari Bol. So all of you now you can repeat.
Who is that holding a shining
mighty plow?
Hari Hari Bol.
Who is that holding a mighty plow? Hari Hari Bol.
Who is that holding a mighty plow? Hari Hari Bol.
You can unmute yourself and speak, all of you. Who is that holding a mighty plow? Hari Hari Bol.
Who is that holding a mighty plow? Hari Hari Bol. Who is that holding a mighty plow? Hari Hari Bol.
With a whitish skin.
With a whitish skin and a velvet plow. Hari Hari Bol.
With a whitish skin and a reddish eye. Hari Hari Bol. With a whitish skin and a reddish eye.
Hari Hari Bol.
With a whitish skin and a reddish eye. Hari Hari Bol.
With the white skin and the reddish eyes. Hari Hari Bol.
Is it right?
Yes, so it's Balarama. Keshav Haladhar Rupa. So all of you can sing. Keshav Haladhar Rupa. Keshav Haladhar Rupa. Jaya Jagadish Hare. Jaya Jagadish Hare. Jaya Jagadish Hare. Lord Balram ki Jai. So on Jai. Yes, so Lord Balram is also known as Jai. Lord Balram is also known as Haldhar. Okay.
इस मामा में क्या वो हल को धरते मतलब हल
Mataji,
Mataji wanted to say something.
Yes, yes, Kartik Prabhuji.
Ramji has a hull.
Balramji has a hull. Yes, that's right. Yes, Kartik Prabhuji, you can unmute yourself.
Yes, Mataji, I was saying that in the previous Sunday class, you said that we would have a meeting in between the weekdays, that is on Wednesday or Thursday for the shloka recitation.
Yes, yes.
So Mataji, can we do that previous shloka today?
So today we will learn some pranam mantras, but we will definitely do that shloka. I remember we need to do 1.7.22 shloka. It's a beautiful shloka of Arjun's player. But today we'll do some pranam mantra. We'll learn the pranam mantra of Lord Balram. Hari Bol. Do we have Sakhi Chandrika Mataji in the class?
Yes, Mataji. Sakhi Chandrika Mataji is in the class.
Hare Krishna Sakhi Chandrika Mataji. No, I think Mataji left. Okay. So we'll do the prayers of Lord Balram. So like we have the pranam mantra of Krishna, which is Hey Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute. So all of you know the Krishna's pranam mantra?
Yes, Mataji.
So shall we recite Krishna's pranam mantra together and then we'll
Yes,
learn?
Mataji.
Yes.
Hey Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Namastute. Yes. So similarly we have a pranam mantra of Balram ji. So Balram ji ka pranam mantra hum seekhenge. So I will recite and all of you can recite after me. Let's recite on mute first and then we can unmute and recite. Okay? So Namaste Halagrama.
Namaste Halagrama.
Namaste Mushlayudha.
Namaste Mushulayudha.
Namaste Revati Kanta.
Namaste Revati Kanta.
Namaste Bhaktavatsala.
Namaste Bhaktavatsala.
Do you know who's Revati? Who's Mother Revati? Vidit, you don't have to answer, please. Do you know who's Mother Revati? Do you know who's Revati? You can unmute yourself and answer. Does anybody knows who's Mother
No,
Revati?
Mataji. Yes, Mataji. The wife of Balram ji.
Yes, ma'am, the wife of Balram ji.
Yes. So in his
Yes,
pranam
Mataji, the
mantra
wife
it
of
also
Balram
comes
ji.
Namaste Revati Kanta.
Yes,
Mataji, I also saw that I think in a show. Ma'am, her
Mataji, I saw it in Radha Krishna.
Yes,
Ma'am, Revati's father brought Revati to earth, ma'am,
Yes.
to give her hand to Lord Balram.
Yes, there's a huge story on this. In fact,
Yes,
Revati is from not even from Dwapar Yuga. She came from Satya Yuga. There is a story.
Yes,
We'll
ma'am.
hear that story.
Ma'am, I
also.
think, ma'am,
Yes, माताजी, ब्रह्मा जी ने जब उनके पिताजी ने गए थे तो उन्होंने कहा था ये सारे योद्धा तो मर गए हैं, यहाँ का टाइम बहुत फास्ट है,
पास्ट है. Yes. So फिर जब वो आए तो तब तक यहाँ पर द्वापर युग था. तो द्वापर युग he said that only Balram ji is fit for Revati. And Revati was so tall, but Balram ji used his plow. जिससे क्या हुआ कि रेवती की हाइट उतनी होगी जितनी बलराम जी की थी. Right? Hari bol. So all of you can unmute yourself. What we'll do is we'll do the pranam mantra, but all of you can recite after me. Is that fine?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Namaste Halagrama.
Namaste Halagrama.
Namaste Mushlayudha.
Namaste Mushlayudha.
Namaste Revati Kanta.
Namaste Revati Kanta.
Namaste Bhaktavatsala.
Namaste Bhaktavatsala.
Okay, then further it goes. Namaste Balinam
Shrestha.
Namaste
Yes, so if all of you can recite after me, please. Namaste Balinam Shrestha.
Namaste Balinam Shrestha.
Namaste Dharani Dhara.
Namaste Dharani Dhara. Namaste Dharani Dhara. Mataji, some voice is coming.
हाँ, some voice is coming. Amit Agarwal. Okay. So we'll do Namaste Balinam Shrestha.
Namaste Balinam Shrestha.
Namaste Dharani Dhara.
Namaste Dharani Dhara.
Pralambhare Namaste Tu.
Pralambhare Namaste Tu.
Pralambhare Namaste Tu.
Pralambhare Namaste Tu.
Trahi Mam Krishna Purvaja.
Trahi Mam Krishna Purvaja. Mataji, Balram ji is Krishna's Purvaj.
Elder. So Purvaj का मतलब है elder. So he's saying, Trahimam, please save us, O elder brother of Krishna. So one of the tasks that we have to do this week is we have to remember this pranam mantra. I will share the pranam mantra. I will also share how to recite it. It's very simple and very beautiful. Okay. And
okay, Mataji.
If we go through the meaning of the pranam mantra, the first one says, I pay obeisances to you, O holder of the plow. Obeisances to you, O wielder of the mace. Obeisances to you, O darling of Revati. Obeisances to you, who are very kind to your devotees. So Balramji is Bhats Vatsala, is very kind to his devotees. I offer my respectful obeisances unto Lord Balram, the best of the strong and the support of the earth. So आपको पता है कि जो उनको धरनी धरा क्यों बोलते हैं, क्योंकि उनके शीश पर सारे planets हैं. I offer obeisance also onto you.
Mataji, what is शीश?
Head. शीश मतलब हेड, उनके हेड के ऊपर सारे प्लैनेट्स हैं.
मैम वो एक्चुअली शेषनाग है, तो मैम वो जो लॉर्ड जैसे मैम उनका अवतार लॉर्ड कृष्ण विष्णु को बैठे हुए देखते हैं हम उसमें, तो मैम उनके पीछे जो मैम वो सांप होते हैं वो शेष होते हैं. और मैम जब वो कहते हैं मैम जब उनके रियल फादर लॉर्ड कृष्णा को लेकर आ रहे थे रिवर से, बहुत सारी बारिश हो रही थी, हम तब भी शेषनाग जो मैम बलराम जी है वो उनके सर पे आ गए थे ताकि उनको बारिश से बचा.
हाँ, true, that's right. Hari bol. And then lastly it says, I pay obeisances unto you, or the enemy of Pralamba. Pralamba Sur कौन था? अभी हमने देखा था ना? That big demon.
By one punch of Lord Balram.
Yes. The one who killed So Balramji killed Pralambasur just by one punch of him. That was Pralambasur. And then in the prayer we say, please deliver me, O elder brother of Krishna. Right? So these are very beautiful prayers. So we'll try to remember this week. Okay? Okay. Now, so we all know that Balramji was initially in the womb of Devaki mother, but then he was moved to the womb of Rohini mother. So both Devaki and Rohini were the wives of Vasudev. Vasudev had 18 wives, and both of them, both Devaki and Rohini, were the wives of Vasudev. Now, why did there is a whole story of who were those 6 brothers. Yes, yes, beta.
Mother, I was saying कि मैम जो रोहिणी मदर थी उनका कोई सन नहीं था, तो इसलिए भी आई थिंक इसलिए भी भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने बलराम जी को उनका बेटा बना दिया.
हाँ, yes, that's right. And जो 6 sons थे, जो कृष्णा से पहले, जो बलराम जी से पहले 6 sons पैदा हुए थे, जो मर गए थे, वो actually all of them were demons of a demon called Kan-Nemi. So एक Kal-Nemi एक demon था. So do you all remember Hiranyakashipu who came in Satya Yuga?
Yes, Mataji.
Hiranyakashipu.
Yes, Mataji, who took Dharti Mata and drowned her.
हाँ, so Hiranyakashipu had a brother called Hiranyaksh. So Hiranyaksh ने क्या करा था, उन्होंने धरती को लेकर पानी में डाल दिया था और फिर लॉर्ड वराह आए थे बचाने के लिए. अब हिरण्याक्ष के 6 पुत्र थे और उनका एक पुत्र था जिसका नाम था कालनेमी, और कालनेमी के 6 पुत्र थे who were basically worshipping Lord ब्रह्मा जी. तो जब हिरण्यकशिपु ने देखा कि ये सब मेरे को छोड़कर ब्रह्मा जी की प्रेयर कर रहे हैं, तो he got very angry. So he cursed all these 6 children and he said कि in the next yuga, in the Dwapar yuga, not even next yuga, in Dwapar yuga you all will be born and you will be killed by your own father. So इसलिए they were born and they were killed by their own father. You know who was their actual father in the previous birth? That Kal-Nemi was born as Kansa in Dwapar Yuga. So they were born and they were killed by his own father. Now Balram ji, he is basically the one who removes 6 anarthas. So in Bhagavad Gita also we saw that there's 6 anarthas that we have. It is called lust, anger, greed, pride, illusion and attachment. Because of these 6 anarthas, we are here on this planet Earth and we are not there on the because we were envious of Krishna. Therefore, we came to this material world from the spiritual world. So these 6 anarthas disturb us all the time. and they're so subtle that we don't even get to know. We know about anger, we know about greed, but they are nuts are like jealousy, enviousness, जो बहुत subtle होते हैं और वो कभी भी आ जाते हैं.
sorry to disturb you, but I just want to inform I'm 1 o'clock हो गया है.
हाँ, this class is finished. This I just want to say. So Balram ji comes and he removes all these 6 anarthas. Therefore, he is called the Adi Guru, right? So now, one last thing we want to discuss is what are different names of Balram ji. So today in the class we did some activity and we saw we had 4 teams, right? So we had Balram ji, we had Anand Shesh, Lakshman and Nityanand. So all of them are names of Balram ji. Then other that, Balramji is also known as Haldhar. Why do you think he's called Haldhar?
Ma'am, because his main weapon is Hal.
Every time so that's why it's his main weapon.
Yes. And with that he removes all the anarthas. So he's also called Haldhar. And he's called Sankarshan. Why he's called Sankarshan? Because he moved from the womb of Rohini, Devki to Rohini. So therefore he's called Sankarshan. Right? Now let's discuss what is the homework for today. So today's homework, we have to do 4 things. Okay. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to draw one pastime of Krishna and Balram. यानी जो भी हमें अच्छा लगा pastime वो हमें draw करना है. So it can be Krishna was eating, eating mud and Balram ji was stopping him, or it can be Krishna and Balram stealing butter. So you can see that Balram ji is stealing butter and passing it on to Krishna. Or it can be that Krishna and Balram are moving in the forest hand in hand. So कुछ भी आपको आज की story से.
I just want to ask one thing.
Yes, go ahead.
Mataji, do we have to only say that thing that you told, or we can say of another story?
Anything. So anything that you want to draw, you can draw related to Balram ji. So that's the first activity. Second activity, what we have to do is we have to make a plow. So I'll send you a link. Origami से हमें हल बनाना है. It's very interesting. I will share the YouTube link with you, so we can use that and we can paste it on the drawing if you want. Third activity, what we have to do is we have to make a Rakhi with the name of Balramji, because the Balram Jayanti is on the same day as Rakhi. So we can all, whether we are girls or boys, because whether we are girls or boys, because the soul does not have a gender. It is the body that has a gender, right? So all of us can make a Rakhi for Balramji. You can write the name of Balramji on top of that and make a beautiful Rakhi. I will share the link with you so that you can. Okay. And the last one is to make a drink called Varuni. It is a very simple drink which is made out of milk, curd, and malai. And honey, the most important.
My Dadi makes this. My Dadi makes every time I'm on the Balram Jayanti. Every time my Dadi makes it and offers it, Ma'am, it's his favorite drink.
Yes, this is his favorite drink. Thank you, Arshia. That's right. So I will share the link with you. All of us can make this drink and offer it to Balramji. Okay. So these are the 4 things that we have to do. Yes. So this is the 4 things that we have to do for homework today.
Mataji?
Yes.
Mataji, you said we have to make an Rakhi for Balramji. We have to write the name of Rakhi. So Mataji, if we have to make a Rakhi, will you give the link of a video?
Yes. I will share a video with you.
Homework. मेरा network problem हो गया था.
Don't worry, beta. Don't worry. I will repeat the homework and I will also share the homework in WhatsApp group. So the first homework is हमें एक pastime को draw करना है बलराम जी का. Any pastime that you like. Any pastime. One where Balram ji is there. Second homework is we'll make Hal, Balram ji's Hal out of origami. I will share the YouTube link with you. It's very interesting. And you can paste that Hal on the picture also. So वो 3D effect देगा. And third is all of us will make a Rakhi for Balram ji. Like we said that we are soul. So soul does not have a gender, right? So all of us can make a Rakhi. And when this Rakhi is very special because Balramji's name will be written on that Rakhi. Again, I will share that link with you. And the fourth
जी अभी आप राखी के बारे में क्या बोल रहे थे क्योंकि मेरे बैटरी खत्म हो गई तो मुझे करना पड़ा. Mataji, we can also do. We will make a photo. We will paste the Rakhi on that. We can also paste the Hal on that, and we can offer our drink to that photo.
So yes, very nice. Yes, we can paste the Rakhi even on the photo picture that we will be making. But the drink that we need to offer it to Balram ji himself in the altar.
Mataji, can we keep the photo in the altar for?
So no, we need to offer it to Krishna in the altar. Okay.
Mataji, can you please tell me about the Rakhi activity, because मेरे phone की battery खत्म हो गई थी तो फिर मेरे को leave करना पड़ा.
Yes, Preeti, don't worry about it. I will share all of this in WhatsApp. That's completely okay. We have to make a Rakhi और मैं वो Rakhi का link भी भेजूंगी आपको कि कैसे बनाना है. ठीक है?
माताजी हमें राखी थ्रेड से बनानी है रिबन से?
हाँ, you can make it from threads, you can make it from beads, you can make it from ribbon.
You can make it from anything.
Anything.
Whatever you
Yes,
like.
जो भी घर में available है और जो भी आप अपना use कर सकते हो as a creativity, you can use anything. I will share a link with you. उसमें आप अपने ideas लगा सकते हो. जो मैं आपको YouTube का link भेजूंगी, उसमें you can put more ideas and you can make it your, give it your signature touch to it. ठीक है?
माताजी मैं वैसा एक और इंस्ट्रूमेंट बना रही हूँ.
Hari bol Pranjal Mataji. Okay, so there is a surprise for all of you. So remember that we had kept that competition that everybody who would keep their